viewers, we've got a breaking news coming in as the war in West Asia now enters its day 11. Now the BSE, Sensex and Nifty 50 both closed sharply lower on Monday and amid intense global and domestic pressures. But after a day of bloodbath, Indian markets are now expected to open higher. Sensex and Nifty open 1% higher amid positive global cues. Nifty trades above 24,100 and Sensex near 78,000. This comes as Donald Trump said war could be ending soon. Now, U.S. markets, Asian markets gain as Trump now hints that the war could end. The end of the war could be near. Oil prices crashed 8% from Monday's highs. Brent crude now trading at about $92 per barrel versus Monday's $119 per barrel. So we're looking at the slashing of the crude prices and in fact, some gains now being seen in the Indian market as Donald Trump hints the war could end soon. Now, my colleague Pranav joins me. Pranav, we're looking at some positive signs in the Indian markets today as Donald Trump hinted the war in West Asia could end soon.
Yesterday, the markets have opened higher. They opened about 1% higher at market open at about 9:15, and currently they are about 0.4% higher. Nifty 50 is trading at about 24,000 levels, and Sensex is almost near 78,000. Banks, FMCG, IT, auto, banks, PSU banks, energy and pharma all are trading in the green right now, and that's primarily after Donald Trump said that the war could end sooner. That's the positive clue that the Indian as well as global markets are tracking right now. All the Asian markets are in fact higher as well.
Right. Pranav, is the momentum here temporary because of the statement of Donald Trump, or could that be sustained? What are experts saying?
Okay, we were having we spoke to a few experts and analysts yesterday as well as today, and what we are understanding is that it's too early to comment as to whether this momentum is here to sustain. The market is primarily looking for some sort of positive clues in the middle of a global turmoil. So even a small ray of hope is, creating a positive jump in the market. But it's too early to say whether it will actually stay or whether it is just a temporary blip that might just get turned downwards, probably after the tensions in the Middle East, or if at all the tensions in the Middle East store once again.
Right, and another positive signal that we're seeing today is also the price of crude. It has now come to about $92 per barrel, and this is from $119 per barrel yesterday.
In fact, yesterday it crossed the $100 mark for the first time in 3 years. The last time it was trading at this level was in 2022. Yesterday, crude was higher because the supplies were completely crushed, and the demand has been rising. Given that, in fact, just to give you an instance, India itself imports about 80% of its crude from the global market. So, given that the Strait of Hormuz has been blocked, it created some kind of supply pressures, because of which crude prices rose yesterday. But after Trump warned that Iran will be hit harder if it chokes the supply lines, crude prices have dropped today and it's trading at about $90 per barrel.
All right. Thank you, Pranav, for joining us and giving us those crucial details. Indian markets today opening up on a higher gain as compared to the bloodbath we saw yesterday. Thank you, Pranav. In fact, that's what we're looking at, is some positive gains in Indian markets, Asian markets at large as well. And the price of crude also now coming down to $92 per barrel. This comes after Donald Trump made a statement that the war in West Asia could end soon.